के अंदर कोई खमी और या कमी पेशी नहीं थी, उनके अंदर किसी और चीज की आहट थी, किसी और चीज की आस थी, या किसी और सोच की ख्याल था, आपके अंदर नहीं। ये सही कहा मैंने? मेरी
बिल्कुल
उर्दू इतनी अच्छी नहीं है।
बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने। या उर्दू इज क्वाइट नाइस, व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग अबाउट?
नहीं बस ठीक है, अभी सीख रहा हूँ और सीख रहा हूँ। मुझे अच्छी लगती है उर्दू बोलना। तो
बट
ये
या
तुम
दैट्स व्हाट
साथ
इट
लेके जाओगे।
इज, दैट्स व्हाट इट इज। एंड आई
हम्म,
फील लाइक कि हम लोग ये रियलाइज नहीं करते कि हमारे अ लॉट ऑफ हमारे जो अंदर नोशंस हैं जिनको हम एड्रेस नहीं करते, और जिनकी वजह से हम हमारे एक्शंस एंड अप बीइंग अ लिटिल यू नो समटाइम्स क्वेश्चनेबल एंड
हम्म,
रिडिकुलस। तो वो ऐसी जगह से आते हैं, वो इट्स ऑल कनेक्टेड टू अगेन व्हाट यू लर्नड इन योर चाइल्डहुड, राइट?
हम्म,
व्हिच इज व्हाई आई एम रियली रियली बिग ऑन कि अपनी बेटी को मैं वो सब सिखाऊं जिस पे उसकी यू से फाउंडेशन, जो उसकी बुनियाद है, वो
हम्म,
स्ट्रांग हो, यू नो।
हम्म,
we all go through things, you know. I'm not saying कि I can protect her from everything. हम
हम्म,
लोग you know ups and downs life में होते हैं, but it's what you make those ups and downs to be, you know. It's what you teach your children कि this is okay, it's not okay, you know, this feels all right, this doesn't feel all right, you know, all of that. That's really important to sort
हम्म,
of, that's how you nurture them, that's how you take away the pain that it can that can stay with them and make them into something later, you know.
सारा एक और चीज भी है जो मैं समझता हूँ कि सारी माएं करती हैं। शायद तुम अभी माँ हो, तो तुम्हारे सोच जो हो मुझसे जरा फर्क होगा, क्योंकि मैं अपनी माँ से बहुत क्लोज हूँ। मैंने एक चीज नोट की है कि माएं जो होती हैं, और क्यों मैं उनको सेलिब्रेट करता हूँ, मैं समझता हूँ कि माएं जो होती हैं, तुम्हारी भी आई एम श्योर ऐसे ही होगा, हर बंदे को ऐसे होता है, वो अपने बच्चे को उस सिचुएशन से जहां उन्होंने ठोकरें खाई हो, जहां उनके साथ ज्यादती हो, या उनके साथ किसी ने कोई बुरा किया हो, वो उनको अपने बच्चों को वो सिखाती हैं कि तुम इन्हीं चीजों पे फिर से यू शुड लर्न फ्रॉम माई एक्सपीरियंस। एंड वो जो टीचिंग होती है, वो आई थिंक एक बच्चे के अंदर आती है। तुमने अभी कुछ चीज कहा कि आई वॉन्ट टू स्ट्रेंथन माई चाइल्ड्स फाउंडेशन।
Yeah.
एंड चार्ल्स फाउंडेशन क्या है? चार्ल्स फाउंडेशन वो है जो तुम्हारी स्ट्रेंथन फाउंडेशन अब बन चुकी है। यही है ना? तुम्हारी
Yeah.
जो स्ट्रेंथन फाउंडेशन जो तुमने अपने बारे में डिस्कवर किया, वो अपने बच्चे के अंदर डाल रहे हो। एंड दैट ब्रिंग्स मी बैक टू माय सेम पॉइंट जो हमने शुरू किया था। हमारी फाउंडेशंस इस वक्त तक इतनी ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स हो चुकी हैं कि हमारे पेरेंट्स की इस वक्त नहीं थी। उनके
Yeah,
साथ ऐसी चीजें नहीं हो रही थी, वो नहीं गुजर रहे थे इन चीजों से। उनके साथ ये
that's
सब
true.
कुछ नहीं हो रहा था जो हमारे साथ हो रहा है, जो तुम्हारे साथ हो रहा है। तुम अपनी जिंदगी में वो चीजें लेके तुम आगे बढ़ रही हो। एंड डोंट फॉरगेट, ये एक करियर नहीं है, ये एक करियर है।
Yeah.
दूसरे लोगों की नजरों में तुम सिर्फ एक करियर नहीं कर रही, तुम हर बंदे के आगे एक एक सिचुएशन, एक एक तुम कदम रखती हो, वो देखा जाता है, जज किया जाता है, परसीव किया जाता है। तो तुम्हारे अंदर
Yeah.
बहुत स्ट्रेंथ है। कमिंग बैक टू अगेन, your daughter is not amazing because she's just your daughter, she's amazing because she's your daughter.
Thank you. That's really sweet. That's really sweet. But no, I would also say that that kids are, you know, uh, हम लोग उनको बहुत अंडर एस्टिमेट भी करते हैं बच्चों को, कि हम लोग बार बार ये कहते हैं कि ये बच्चे हैं, you know.
हाँ।
We start, you know, one thing I've never done, I'll actually be very honest about this, I've never treated my child like a kid. I
हम्म,
never baby talked with her, you know. I from the very beginning, when she started to respond and everything, मैंने हमेशा उसके साथ बिल्कुल वैसे behave, like मैंने, I always spoke to her like I'm speaking to someone who's understanding me, you know
हम्म,
what I mean? And I feel like that has had a great impact on her as well, you know.
हम्म,
um, and that's really important when you start treating children like they're like you can have conversations, like I literally have conversations with my child about everything,
हम्म,
you know, and especially before bed, the best conversations hoti hai na. And
हम्म,
aajkal, because of Ramzan, there's a lot of, you know, Allah and shaitan and angels and all of that, right?
yeah.
So that
How old
again,
is she now?
wo bhi, she is going to be 6 in July.
Mashallah, mashallah.
Yeah, yeah. So, you
Amazing.
know, So it's been great. I just feel like कि हमें कभी कभी ना ये जरूर सोचना चाहिए कि हम लोग अपने बच्चों को अंडर एस्टिमेट भी करते हैं कि ये तो बच्चे हैं, ये लोग नहीं समझेंगे. They understand everything. They pick up
Everything.
on everything.
Yeah.
Everything. मैंने
Yeah.
कोई conversation I might be having a conversation with my mother and she'll later tell me about it. You know?
Yeah.
And I'm
And
like,
would have understood as well, totally.
exactly. So it's really important to give them, you know, that credit that they do understand and they're not just little, you know.
Yeah, they're not little kids. और
Yeah.
ये बड़े हमारे प्रीवियस जनरेशन का बहुत था, कोई बात नहीं, बच्चा ये उसको क्या समझ आनी है, मगर एक्चुअली बच्चे को बहुत ज्यादा समझ आ रही होती है. आई थिंक हर इंसान को वी
Yes.
एक्चुअली अंडर एस्टिमेट कि एक इंसान को कितनी सारी समझ आ रही होती है. मैंने एक और भी चीज नोट की है कि हम लोग सारे बहुत अपने आप को थोड़ा सा होशियार भी समझते हैं कि आई हैव डन समथिंग, आई एम गोइंग टू से व्हाटएवर आई वांट, एंड दूसरा बंदा वही समझेगा जो मैं कह रहा हूँ, बिकॉज हर इंसान थोड़ा सा होशियार होता है. They read much more than words. They read signs, just like children do. They read smaller signs, so they
Yeah.
understand. I'm going to ask you now some filmy questions because I want to get back to a little bit of a fun before we go. Sarah,
Okay.
what's the next big project? When are we seeing you on what's happening?
Well, I was in the middle of, you know, starting a couple of projects and then this happened. So that all,
Film or
you know,
television?
film, television, like I told you, I'm reading scripts. I'm reading scripts, and the second a script makes sense to me, I would love to come on TV. You know, I get all these messages and I get all these people, you know, please come back on TV. So I really do want to come back on TV and, you know, do a good drama. But I'm just waiting for like a good script, you know. मेरा एक और problem है, मुझसे गर्मी में काम नहीं होता. Not because
I
it's
get
just
it.
with drama you have so many days to give, and if you're working in the summers you have so many days to give and you have like so many hours to give in a row, you know, and I usually start falling sick. So I don't want कि किसी और का काम खराब हो just because I'm falling sick again and again. मुझे migraines हो रहे हैं, मैं जो है वो dehydrate हो रही हूँ, and you know I can't get out of bed and stuff like that. I usually don't fall sick, but once the cycle starts, then I fall sick a lot. So I don't
Yeah.
want to, you know, jeopardize somebody else's project as well. So I
Yeah.
try to make sure that I work in months like, you know, October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March type, you know, and then the other months I keep for like, you know, other kind of work.
So इसका
But
मतलब कि इस वक्त तुम कोई काम नहीं करने वाली, इस वक्त हमें इंतजार करना
अभी तो
पड़ेगा
कुछ हो ही भी नहीं रहा.
जब तक मौसम ठंडा नहीं होगा. Until
नहीं,
it's
अभी तो
not,
कुछ हो
it's
भी
not
नहीं रहा.
cool, we're not going to see Saira.
No, you'll see me soon. Right now,
Like,
nothing's happening.
Saira, do you want to hang out? Wait, no, it's not cool enough.
It's
Yeah, it's gonna have to wait till October. I apologize. Bye, babe.
No, it's not that bad. I just avoid TV work during this time. But it's, you know, but at the same time, most of the good work happens around this time. You know, so it's really hard to choose. But I'm still looking for a good script. I have a couple of films that I was supposed to be working on. I'm working on a music show as soon as the lockdown is lifted. It's a cool concept, you know. I'm working on that. Then there are a couple of other projects that are lined up. So there's work that's all
Okay.
just pending, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're अगर आप लोग सारे पूछ रहे थे बार-बार मुझसे कि सायरा कब वापस आएंगी, मुझे लगता है कि सायरा बहुत ज्यादा प्रोजेक्ट्स साथ चलाने वाली हैं. So I'm really happy.
Inshallah.
I am, because I think you have a very, तुम्हारे पता है क्या, तुम्हारे एक तो you have a unique face. I feel like your face is very unique. I don't think
Thank
anyone
you.
has a face like yours. You're very
Thank
very
you.
pretty, but very uniquely pretty. तुम्हारे
Thank
sense of
you.
style पर कोई फर्क है, और तुम्हारे बोलने का अंदाज और acting करने का अंदाज भी, it's very unique. So I think we miss that. I think that's one thing that we miss.
Yeah.
So yeah, please come back. There's so many actors right now. It is other actors and so many guys. A lot of guys who talk like this as well. You know, सबकी तो आवाज ही ऐसी हो गई आजकल. You know what I mean? क्या हो रहा है? In सारे actors में, there are lots of talented new actors as well. अगर तुम्हें next
Yes.
project मिले and you could select 3 actors that you could possibly do a role with, who would those 3 be?
You know, from the new lot, तो क्या? I mean, I think there are a few people who've done some great work. I think there's Bilal Abbas.
Yeah,
He's done some really good work.
and he's good.
Ahad, yeah, he's
Oh,
good, and Ahad has done some really good work,
yeah, talented.
And I was a fan, like I was his dad's fan,
Yeah,
like his dramas back in the day. Used to love it. So, and I see so much of his dad in him. I see so much of Ahad's dad in him. So
yeah.
he's really good. There's Bilal Abbas, there's Ahad. Who else? Who else? Uh, I think Imad Irfani has really started to do well.
Yeah.
Um, you know,
My
he's
my old buddy, I've known him for a long time, मगर मैं इमाद से
yeah.
बहुत impressed हूँ कि उसने बहुत मेहनत की है और बहुत कुछ सीखा है. He's
And वो
really good.
दिखता है.
Hmm.
You can tell when somebody's worked really hard और उन्होंने because आप जितना अपने craft को polish करते हैं तो
Hmm.
वो उतना ही it comes out shining, and I think
Hmm.
that's what he's done. He's worked so hard on it. He's doing a great job. So I would love to work with these guys.
Saira, thank you so much for joining me. Before I tell you to just answer a few of your questions and say hi to your fans, मैं तुम्हारी एक दो तीन चीजें अप्रिशिएट करना चाहूंगा. आई थिंक कि इस हालात में जहां हम लोग इतनी अपनी जिंदगियों को ट्रिविलाइज कर लेते हैं कि हम हर चीज शेयर करते हैं, द फैक्ट दैट तुम अपनी जिंदगी के बारे में इतनी प्राइवेट हो, ये बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग एंड इट्स क्वाइट लवली. एंड मुझे
Thank
ये
you.
तुम्हारी बहुत अच्छी लगी बात. और दूसरी चीज, जो हम लोग इतना वक्त गुजारते हैं दूसरों के साथ गुजारने के लिए और उनको जानने के लिए, जो तुम अपने लिए जो तुम वक्त गुजारती हो अपने आप को जानने के लिए, और जिस तरह की तुमने बातें भी की कि इट्स नॉट मी, इट्स probably you. ये it's not me, it's most definitely you. ये this is sometimes an important sentiment जो हम लोग कभी भूल जाते हैं. So I really want to
Yeah.
thank you for all this, and I also lastly want to thank you for taking out time. मैं जानता हूँ कि तुम ये नहीं करती, और तुमने मेरे 5 सेकंड में मैंने फोन किया तो मैंने कहा what's up, what's happening, should we do this? You're like yeah, let's do it. And the fact
Yeah,
that
it's
you,
you, of course.
so I really appreciated that. Would you like to say something to your fans?
First of all, I'd like to thank you for having me, and I've loved this conversation we've had, honestly, because
Me
like
too.
we talk about, we talk about work and ye kya ho raha hai, wo kya ho raha hai, all of that is good, but things with a bit of depth to it, things that I think we all have in during this time sat and reflected upon. I'm really happy that I got to share that with you and everyone. But to my
Me too.
fans, to my fans, I would like to say thank you for all the love. Thank you for all the support. Um, as soon as things normalize, inshallah, you'll get to see a lot more of me. And be good to yourselves and be kind to yourselves, and just be good.
Just be good. Can I just say one last
Yeah.
thing? Whatever
Yeah.
you're eating is working, because that chiseled jawline and cheekbone situation that's happening right now, can we? Amazing. Amazing.
Thank
Your
you.
skin, your
Thank you.
face, and that jawline situation. Like, khatam.
Thank you. Thank you.
Deserves,
Thank you.
it deserves the full drama on that alone. So please come back. Please come back.
Inshallah. Inshallah.
Give my love to your sister. तुम्हें रमजान का महीना बहुत मुबारक हो. अल्लाह करे कि तुम्हारा बहुत अच्छा वक्त
आपको भी.
गुजरे. और
आपको भी.
और अपनी बेटी को मेरी तरफ से बहुत प्यार देना. And thank you so much for joining, guys. Thank you so much for coming as well.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye. Take care, Sarah. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. So guys, this was Saira, and